Hello, today we'll be learning how to navigate the Music app. Begin by tapping on the music note with a white background. It brings you to your library. You can see your playlist, artist, albums, songs, and downloaded music. Here you can see your recently downloaded songs. Here's how to create a playlist. Select New Playlist, tap Add Music. Here you can search for any song. Select the artist or song you want, and then tap the Add symbol. You can also name the playlist here. Tap Done. Here is your new playlist. To play a song, just tap on the desired song. Tap the bar on the bottom and it brings up options. It shows you the artist's name, album name, length of song. You can pause and play the song, press forward or backward to different songs, change the volume too. Tap here and you can remove a song, add to playlists like this. Share songs with others here. You can also select for other devices to play the song. Apple creates a playlist based on your patterns. Browse shows you Apple Award winner playlist, hits, mood songs, best of November, and daily pop songs. Radio shows your recent radio listens, upcoming shows, radios, and podcast radio. Go to search and it shows your recent searches and trending. You can search for a song already in your library or on Apple Music. These are the Kane Brown songs downloaded onto my library. Brings me to an artist's recent release, top songs, albums, music videos, and Apple playlist. I go and look up Kanye West. To download a song, tap on the plus sign and then the cloud with an arrow pointing down. This is how you navigate and use your music app. Any questions? Leave them in the comment section. Goodbye!